It has roots dirty and torn, young on the plant as the black crow flies. Mama's weeping, hear the mountains cry. There was another, a wildflower. Cold was her heart, and as dark as
I was thinking about it, asking you to stay with me. You need another teacher. I didn't think it would. I shall miss you. So soon. Why don't you come with me? And as you please in a big city.
oh, saddle me up my coal black stud, my white one's not so speedy. I've rode all day, I'll ride all night, and I'll overtake my lady, and I'll bring home my lady. He rode all night, broad daylight, came to a river a-raging, and there he spied his darling bride in the arms of the lady. Pull off those long black gloves that made of Spanish leather, and get behind me on my horse, and we'll ride home together, and we'll ride home together. She pulled off the long black gloves.